Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 7 Role Management Super Admin User using Middleware in Laravel 11. Error Solution official website is www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my official website Error Solution. Any doubt so please contact this Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. All is available, and this project is available, this all available, this purchase in project, and this contact this any work related to 7-year experience. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin, this database name is a Laravel 11, this database name. And this gem folder, this htdoc folder, this gem inside this htdoc folder, inside this available this Laravel underscore 11, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this .env file check in this run localhost Laravel underscore 11. This project name, this folder name. Let's run this already run localhost Laravel 11. This welcome page successfully working, and this database name is a this database name Laravel underscore 11. Let's start this video. First of all, this resource inside this available view inside this new folder is a create layouts folder. This layouts folder inside this create app blade PSP. Let's new folder create layouts successfully create. Inside this new file is a create app .blade.psp. Successfully create this file. Let's font is a small size this font, and this open this already this home page. This home page is open. This home, this URL in this already, this copy URL route web.psp inside this only slash home controller. Inside this index function is available. Let's home controller open this http controller and home controller. This home controller inside this available index file, and this index file is available welcome page. Welcome page means this title welcome page, and this welcome page is available this welcome. Let's cut this cut file and save. Inside this new file is create inside this paste here, and this live body in this cut and save file, and this paste here inside this paste here. This new file is create inside this paste. Let's save file, and this file is save inside this not working is good. This not working, only this simple is available, and this title is not working. Let's CSS implementation inside this. First of all, this yield is include @YIE yield in content, and this same is a save file, and this open this index blade PSP this welcome page. Inside this extends, and this same name is a copy, this same name is a copy, this name copy and paste here. Otherwise, this cut this new add section inside this paste here, same paste here, and this section is a start inside this $e and section. Same section is a start and paste here, this same start and close this section. Inside this path is a implement this layout .app .app successfully include this. Let's refresh this page. This working good. This common file is implementation. Let's click this welcome PSP. Welcome page is available. This welcome page. This welcome. Let's inside this 111 add and save, and this refresh page. This available 111 welcome PSP. Let's open this. Click this login inside this login page, and this login file is open. This copy this URL login login URL copy web.php open, and this login URL, this login auth controller inside this login, auth controller inside this available login, this login, and this auth.login blade.php file open, this file is open, and this remove this login, and this remove this delete, successfully delete inside this delete, and save file. Let's refresh this page, and this not working good, this not working good. And let's implementation this same here, this same copy means copy and paste here, and this common file is include, and this copy section and section inside this paste here, successfully paste and refresh this page, successfully working good. But this welcome page is available, this page is a login page. Let's change this inside this login add, though this remove this login, let's login add login, this not good, this login available, but this welcome page is available inside this same is a login welcome page, but not good. Let's add this inside this add, remove this meta keyword. Let's enter this implementation is empty, meta title, and this add again this meta title, and this remove, not use this dollar meta title, same is a copy meta title, and this implementation save file, and this refresh this page, but this not working, only error solution code, this only available, this only error solution, and this little copy same name, and this page is a home page, inside this $data paste here this meta title, same name is a meta title, copy and meta title is equal to this welcome page, and this close inside this data pass, $data is a pass, and save file, and this refresh this page, successfully welcome page, and this click this login inside this not a add, this only error solution code. Let's log in this login controller, open this auth controller inside this implementation $data meta title is equal to this login page, and this $data is a pass, and this different name, this login page is a include, this title is a login page, and this welcome page, successfully this set, and this next page is a registration, this registration page is available, this registration $data, this registration page meta title is equal to this registration page, same name is a copy, otherwise this file is open auth registration, this auth registration is available, this cut means inside this cut, and paste here, same name is a paste, and this $data is a pass, data pass, this data is a pass successfully, and this remove inside this remove in this common file is a implementation, this remove and this available login file section is close, inside this close and start, this same is a start, successfully working, refresh this page, good working, this common file is include, this registration, next file is available forgot password, let's remove this forgot password, remove and save file, this remove forgot password is removed, and refresh this page, forget click this forgot password, successfully not show, let's implement this same name, this L is a include, and this paste here inside, and refresh this page, successfully working, same name is a copy, and inside this not available, let's copy this name, forget password, auth inside this add this forget password. $data meta title is equal to this name and die $data save file, and this include this name. Successfully forgot password is working fine. This login, register, forget and welcome path is done. Let's login after this available reset password and this super admin and dashboard. Let's login, otherwise welcome page 3 type is available. This login, database name is a user. This user is available. Super admin, copy this same is a copy inside this paste here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click this login. This password is wrong and this new registration is add. Let's implement new registration. This registration is add. Copy same name in this admin, this registration, and don't save. Successfully registration in this password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this login, and this successfully login. This not a common, less common is a implementation step by step. Otherwise this layout is a admin dashboard. This dashboard is available, good working, and this common file is a implementation. This admin dashboard, let's remove this and this remove, save file and refresh this page. This not working. Let's include this name is a login file, open this same is a copy and this dashboard here paste here, and this same is a section is a end @end section, save file and refresh this page. Successfully working, but this name is not available admin dashboard, and this dashboard inside this available this admin dashboard. $data meta title is equal to this admin dashboard, and this data already pass here inside this already pass, and refresh this page. Successfully this title admin dashboard is working, and this welcome page is available already. This done first, and this logout super admin work is done. Less admin is done. Let's new super admin start. This super admin, copy this email super admin registration and this implementation 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click this. This name is a super dashboard. This available super same is a copy and paste here inside super admin, and this dashboard is available. Super admin inside this available dashboard, and this dashboard page this remove, and this div close inside this remove, not use this remove, and implement this name is a implement, copy and paste here in this common, paste here, save file. Let's refresh this page. Working is good. This already include. This close. This all files are closed. This not use. Next is available logout only user is a last page is only user. Let's registration user. Submit this copy name, and this only user is pending. Let's user is open, and this successfully user registration 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click this login. Successfully login, good. Less user is available. This dashboard controller inside this available user dashboard. This user dashboard open and user dashboard, and this remove, not use this remove, and this remove, save file and refresh this page. Successfully working, good. And implementation, this copy and paste here, and this last is a section, copy and this paste here, and this already add save file. Let's refresh this page. Working user dashboard, and this title is not available. Let's home control this, otherwise dashboard is open. $data data meta title is equal to this implementation user dashboard page. This page, this same name is a copy and paste here, and this data already passed, and this close and refresh this page. Successfully working, and this logout. Last page is a reset password is a working fine. This reset password is as it is, not a send. This all file is a different is a set, not a any pending file. This implementation, let's step by step set. This dashboard is already add. This auth forget password add, login add, registration add, and this is a not add, and this by default is a login password, not a add. Implementation, let's remove this reset password, remove. Inside this remove, not use. Let's implementation this copy and paste here, and section END section same here, and this reset password is a auth controller. Inside this copy, same name is a copy, and reset password is a available this file. Reset password inside this available $data, and this reset password page successfully implementation. This reset password. Next is available. This email is this as it is not sans. This layout is already include all. The super admin inside this include, and this user inside this include, and this index file inside this include, and this message file, this style already this message file. This all working is a good. This video is a done 7 video, and this my official website is and this official channel error solution code, and this official website. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This follow all link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.